All right. Told you guys it was coming. Wasn't playing. I've been wanting this thing for so long. Many reasons. One, I really wanted to leave it unboxed, but you know I can't do y'all like that. It's a very cool box. It's very unique. This is a China only release. You know, people think China, they think like some wish.com stuff or like some low quality, but no, they've got their own market over there. They've got stuff like how we have over here, but then they've got their other brands that are specifically to their country, kind of like how we have here. Anyways, without further ado, I'm gonna unbox this thing. Isn't it cool? It's gonna go in here, so let's go for it. I'm gonna try to be as careful as I can not to damage the box. I was kind of bummed because it actually came dented a little bit. Not a huge deal, but you know, it's such a cool box, you kind of get bummed out about that, but like I said, not a big deal. I'm just gonna throw that over there. There's the dent. I don't know, not a big deal, but look at this. It's so cool. It's like a hard plastic, I guess. Does it slide off? Oh, it slides. I was gonna untie the bow. I'm glad I didn't, because I want to save that. That's kind of cool. I wonder if it has a smell. Should we give it the smell test? No, no smell. Does the box smell? No, no smell. Reason I'm doing that is there was actually, I don't know if you guys have ever seen it, but there was a graphics card. If somebody can find it, put it in the comments below, because I would love to buy one. There was a an anime themed card, like a waifu card or whatever, that actually smelt like perfume. That was kind of one of the things that they did. They embedded a smell in it. But yeah. Anyways, back to this. This is the Yeston 3080 10 gig model. And look at that, even custom cut foam. Like, they went above and beyond with this. Like, this is such amazing packaging. This, in my opinion, is better than like Gigabyte and tons of other brands out there. It's even got these cute little anime girl stickers. Like, this is so fire. This is so cool. Holy crap. Let's see what else we got in here. Oh, RGB cable. Guessing to externally control it if your board doesn't do it, or to hook it up to your fan so it syncs together. Please don't tell me that's a scratch or something. I'm gonna be so mad if it is. It's gotta be like, oh man, I'm gonna have to get like an alcohol wipe to get that off, I think. But yeah, the back plate is themed as well. Let's see how carefully I can do this, because I'm usually a pro at removing these stickers. What you want to do, if you want to save a GPU sticker, get at it from the back and just go to town. So here's the card. Oh cool, it's just fuzz. We're good, we're good. Crisis averted, crisis averted. Back to business. Okay. Whoa, holy crap. Holy crap, I did not know that this thing had a white PCB. Okay, first of all, white PCBs are rare. I don't know how many of you have white cards or anything. Chances are if you have a white card, you've got a black PCB. Even the bracket is white. That's really nice. I can't believe the white PCB on a 3080. You really don't see these in modern cards anymore. Most older cards did like red or whatever when they did themed ones. Oh, we got one little bent fin. Let's see, we fixed it, so we're good. We fixed the fin here. So yeah, man, this is freaking sweet right here. These fans are kind of shaped a little bit. You can see they've got like a little divot here. I don't know how that affects airflow or what the idea behind that was. A little peel action here. Looks like those don't have a peel, but that one did, I guess, because it's the only one not protected. All right, so what do you think? Look at that. This is beautiful. I like it. I like it a lot, a lot, a lot. All right, let's plug this baby in. We're gonna shut her down. Shut down. I hope, I just thought about this. Yeah, I got enough. I was gonna say, I hope I have enough PCI cables. I also just thought about it. I don't think my angled adapters will work with this. All right, we're unplugging here. We're unplugging. Got that loose. These are really cool angled PCI adapter cables, little adapters things, my bobbers, doodads. This one doesn't want to come off. Okay, these are like 10 bucks on Amazon. These will change your life, I promise. Look at that. It's just a 90-degree turn and it makes life simple. I'm not a fan of having the GPU cables run under it because it does affect airflow. I don't care what anybody says. I don't like it either aesthetically. So this was my 3070 Master. There was nothing wrong with it. As you see, it's super clean. It's actually barely been used. It's probably only been used maybe like 4 or 5 times. A little dusty, but anyways, oh, there's a little scratch here. I can get that off. It's some type of packing crap, I think. I can clean it. Now the question is, oh, it does. No way, come on. I don't think it works. Nope. I'm gonna have to get the other ones. There's 2 different types of angles. One of them has the little pin thing at the bottom, one of them has the pin thing at the top. So with that said, our GPU cables are gonna come from underneath, like, let's see, like that? Nope, like that. I'm gonna do these kind of like haphazardly because I don't really have a lot of time here. So we are going to work with what we have, and that's going to be just like this. Don't judge me on my cable management because you guys already know, guys, gals, people. Love y'all for watching. Everyone knows my cable management is always on point, but not today. Not today. Alright, we're just going to lock this thing in very carefully. The bracket's a little hard to align. That's one thing I'm noticing here. There we go. All right, she's in. So the bracket was a little tight because of the paint, I believe, that they use. I need a screw, but you know what? Screw it. We're not putting a screw in today. Maybe later. Should have put one there. All right, let's take the little covers off. Don't judge me for my cable management. It's really bad. Normally it's on point, guys. Promise. Promise. Ooh. Ooh, yeah. Oh man, it even glows on the RAM right here on her face. It's shining a little bit. Oh, that's perfect. That, my friends, is perfect. What do y'all think? Besides the really rough cable management, let's see if we can fix that right here for the picture. We'll fix that later, you know. You know what I mean? These cables aren't cooperating. Oh well, that's good enough. So, what do you think? I think it's beautiful. I think she's a keeper. Put the side panel back on. need to clean this. But other than that, I think it's a keeper. What do y'all think? The Yeston RTX 3080 is an absolute unit. Wow. Let's get some of this harsh lighting off of there so we can see some of the RGB goodness. What do y'all think? She's pretty. Let's see if we can get a little shot underneath. Yeah, a little action under there. Nice RGB. I like the little fins. Man, this is beautiful. Well, it's been real fun, but now it's real sad. I've got to go. I don't always get to show you guys what I'm doing. Trust me, I'm doing it, man. I'm doing big things. I've always got something going, so if you ever want to know what I'm up to, drop me a comment. I'm always quick to reply to people. I got some tutorials coming. I got a few other things coming. I'm just, you know, just messing around with some things lately. You know, we got RTX 40 series about to drop. I do have a 7950X. If you'd want to see a build with a 7950X, drop a comment below. I might just do it. I might take that 7950X and upgrade this and go grab me a board and some RAM, and then we'll have whatever this is gonna be. Or I might just build a whole new rig. I don't know. I'm not really in the market for anything, but like I said, if there's enough interest, you know, I'll do it. All about showing people things that they haven't seen before and doing things differently. I'm not trying to, you know, just copy everyone else. Like, you know, we got the custom button here, doing things different, little simple touches like that. We do things different around here. We like to be clean and aesthetically pleasing, so I hope this was clean and aesthetically pleasing for you. So you guys have a great day, evening, morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. I'll see y'all next time.